celebrate the release of the movie. They were seen bursting crackers in excitement. They created a festive-like atmosphere. Let's take a look exactly what happened outside the theatre. So the movie that has released across multiple theatres, and this has given an opportunity when it comes to those who have been going to the theatres where spiked prices of movie tickets that are also being sold to the fans. However, they don't seem to mind as far as one of the theatres, which is the Sandhya Theatre, is concerned. The movie release turned into tragedy, where fans of Allu Arjun who thronged at the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad ahead of the premiere of his film, and police had to resort to lathi charge to control the crowd, as unprecedented crowd that was witnessed there. Let's go across to Somit now. Somit, the actor himself was present there along with the members of the film unit who were watching the movie. However, when it comes to the arrangements outside, it led to a stampede-like situation with one person unfortunately losing his life.
Well, after the Pushpa, the blockbuster, the Pushpa 2, the rule has hit the theatres across India, and in thousands of theatres we have seen how crowd has cheered for the movie, and right now we are reporting from the Sandhya Theatre. At this very theatre yesterday, this unfortunate incident has reported. We can clearly see huge, police bandobast. They are allowing one by one. Even here, even traffic police has been deployed to ensure the smooth flow of the traffic. However, when it comes to the yesterday's incident, Allu Arjun has come here to watch the movie because this has become one of the costliest premiere movies of the Indian cinema, and the price of the ticket has been increased up to the 2,000 in Delhi and 1,600 in Mumbai, 1,000 in Bangalore, 1,000 in Andhra Pradesh, and nearly 1,000 to 2,000 in Hyderabad, in the malls and at several other places. So where did you come from? Did you come here to watch the movie?
No.
So did you come here to watch the movie?
No.
So basically several have arrived here yesterday, and they came here to watch the movie, and if we can clearly see there, hundreds gathered here to just enter into the second show today at 9:45, 9:50. So yesterday when Allu Arjun has arrived here at around 10:30 or 11, there were around 2,000 to 3,000 crowd. They were waiting to watch, have a glance at Allu Arjun and also watch the movie. So yesterday chaos-like situation was seen, and immediately after Allu Arjun has entered into the theatre, a few hundreds thronged into the theatre, resulting in chaos-like situation, and then 3 fell unconscious, including a woman, her son, and she was shifted to the local hospital by the police, and she was given CPR initially, and later the doctors declared her brought dead. However, the kid is still undergoing treatment. There are a few fans of Allu Arjun here. You came here to watch the movie?
Yeah, we are eagerly to watch the movie.
Did you purchase the ticket? How much price did you afford to purchase the ticket?
Yeah, 350 rupees.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is not the increased price?
No. This is an actual normal price.
Okay.
We bought the ticket, and I'm so excited to watch the movie. Yeah, I'm the Allu Arjun fan.
So you also came here to watch the movie?
Yeah.
And
Back after 4 hours, then we'll give you a review.
so basically, fans here are cheering for the movie, and they are eagerly waiting to watch the movie. But yes, when it comes to the unfortunate incident which has happened yesterday, the police said that very soon they will also be starting probing into that matter. And yes, at several theatres, this is not just the scene at this theatre in Sandhya Theatre in the Hyderabad city, but this is the scene at several theatres. Even we can clearly see police are allowing the fans one by one after checking, and also ensuring that chaos-like situation like it has happened yesterday doesn't report today or doesn't happen today. So even law and order and traffic police has been deployed here. But yes, fans at several theaters, they are excited and they are enthusiastic to watch the movie, and even we are hearing positive reviews coming out from the critics, from the
right. So this time we are looking at arrangements on part of the authorities and the police that has been made, because owing to the situation and the scenes that were witnessed last evening when the movie released, one amongst the 3 people who were injured, however, unfortunately one woman losing her life in the stampede-like situation at the Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad, where after unprecedented crowd gathered to catch a glimpse of Allu Arjun. 2 others, including a child, who are now said to be in a safe condition where they're receiving treatment at the private hospital, and highlighting exactly what had happened last evening when an unprecedented crowd, crazy fans of Allu Arjun, had gathered at the Sandhya Theatre to catch a glimpse of the superstar.
Fans in huge number hit the theatres, and in thousands of screens Pushpa 2 has been released, the Pushpa 2, The Rule, and we can clearly see chaos-like situation. Police are lathi charging on the fans, and even Allu Arjun has arrived. Even, just now, while we are reporting here, 3 youngsters, they fell ill, they fell unconscious, and even CPR was performed by the police and shifted to the hospital. So even we can clearly see, like VJ has shown, several slippers. Thousands arrived here at the theatre, and we can clearly see their chaos-like situation. Police is resorting to the lathi charge just to control the crowd, and here basically to see this movie, thousands have arrived here at the Sandhya Theatre, and fans of Allu Arjun from across the states, from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, they have arrived here to have a glance at the movie, and Allu Arjun has also arrived here. And even if we see, one side police is trying to control the chaos-like situation, on the other side we can clearly see outside hundreds of fans gathered outside, where police are not allowing them to come.
So, Soumit, another time as we look upon when it comes to the current conditions that we are looking at of the arrangements that have been made by the police, if you can take us through the pictures there that have been coming in.
Well, yes, we can clearly see a huge number police have been deployed here, and they are controlling the crowd, they are controlling the fans, because even today morning at the first show or the second show, huge crowd are expected. So police in huge number has been deployed here, including the law and order and the traffic, and they've been asked to ensure that no untoward incident takes place by the higher officials. And even we can clearly see here at the gates, not just outside, but even inside at the main gate, police are allowing the fans only one by one, also who are having the tickets, and police are not the theatre personnel, but police are checking the tickets, because yesterday a very unfortunate incident has reported. It's this very theatre we were reporting yesterday here, and if I can show you the premises here at the Sandhya Theatre. So this gate we can clearly see now, even this has been broken yesterday after hundreds thronged into the theatre, and to have a glance at Allu Arjun and also to watch the movie. So thousands gathered here yesterday, and chaos-like situation was seen from inside this theatre. 3, including a woman, a kid, fell unconscious. They have been brought outside immediately by the police, and police tried to revive them. Actually, they performed the CPR, and the woman has been unfortunately declared dead by the doctors, and the kid, who's her son, 7 years old, is undergoing treatment right now, and the fans are cheering.
Well, the movie already had been declared as a huge hit even before the release. However, the actor was present there when the stampede-like situation was reported outside the Sandhya Theatre. Unfortunately, one individual, a woman there, losing her life. Thank you very much for the moment, Soumit, for joining in. We head into a short break.